feelers! Welcome to the brand new episode of Feelings Explained. Don't forget to follow us on all our social media channels, which is Feelings XPLAINED on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok.
Please also hit the bell button so you will be notified for our next episodes and be a certified feeler today. You can also subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you guys want to share your own feelings, thoughts, please do email us at feelingsxplained@gmail.com.
Okay, Gian, what is your small win or shit of the week?
Shit of the week. Okay lang naman maging late reply. Siguro ang akin lang is, if magle-late reply kayo, okay lang yung hours, yung a few days, 3 to 5 business days, kinda acceptable. Pero pag weeks, parang ito na yung limit ko. Ano lang, naalala ko lang na ilang beses nang nangyari to. Yung parang, wala pala talaga siyang interest na makipag-usap.
Afterthought.
Oo, yung parang, kapag libre lang. Which is, hindi naman siya issue talaga. Parang naiintindihan ko talaga that we all have our own workloads and like priorities. Di ba sinabi ko na sa ito, yung ayoko, sorry, late reply. Halata naman. Isang buwan eh. Isang buwan eh.
Sorry, nakatulog ako.
Isang buwan ka tulog. Yun ang shit of the week ko kasi naalala ko naman that this has happened to me a couple of times by, caused by different people, and it's been an ick.
Yun.
So, how about you? What is your small win or shit of the week?
So, I have a small win. Yes, small win tayo for today.
Ganda.
I think the universe is giving me a sign to pursue a certain workshop.
Ooh!
Oo. Kasi, may nakita kasi akong isang article ni Tetchi Agbayani.
Oh.
She was supposed to be a Bond girl, if I'm not mistaken. So, para sa mga feelers natin na hindi alam kung ano ibig sabihin ng Bond girl, so sila yung parang nagiging partner ni James Bond sa isang film. So, during the 1980s, so she was supposed to have this Hollywood break.
Is it Tetchi Agbayani?
I feel like it's, alam ko Tetchi Agbayani.
Or was it Dina Bonnevie?
No, Tetchi Agbayani.
Okay.
Tetchi Agbayani.
Sorry, I have to mute my boyfriend.
Tangina! Advance!
Okay, pasensya na. Sorry, let's proceed with Tetchi Agbayani.
Ayun. So, she got the part.
Okay.
Pero she decided to let it go.
Why?
The film was supposed to be filmed, I think, here in Manila. Kung tama yung pagkakaalala ko, it was supposed to be filmed here in Manila, but it was the 1980s. So, it was the Marcos regime. So, it was a bit unstable. So, they decided to shoot na lang in Mexico. Tapos parang sa kanya, it didn't, I think, kung tama yung pagkakaalala ko, parang it didn't make sense or something. Just look up the article.
Okay.
Tapos, binigay niya yung part doon sa parang naging kalaban niya sa role who turned out to be her friend na din during the whole time. Tapos tinanong siya kung ano ba to, kung pinagisihan ba niya yung na she let it go. Kasi yung agent niya was handling big actors.
Hollywood stars.
Yes.
Oh.
Sabi naman daw niya hindi.
Okay.
Hindi niya, like she didn't regret it. Tapos after reading that article, I saw na the ad for a certain workshop.
Okay.
Tapos parang I've been contemplating it and I saved it. Tapos after na, ang dami nang lumalabas. Siguro it's just also algorithm.
Yes.
Pero it's also like, I feel like in
Nudge.
my heart of hearts na I have to do this.
Yeah.
Yon.
You will lose sleep if you do not.
It's been on my mind.
Yes.
So I feel like it's a sign.
It's a sign.
Yeah.
Indeed.
So that's my small win.
This show is brought to you by Pat and Gian's Blood, Sweat, and Tears.
I'm so excited for this episode because we're finally going to speak about along the lines of opportunities and luck. Coming from our previous episode na Red Cab Theory, which I learned from you, which is amazing.
Para lang sa mga feeders na hindi updated at hindi napanood yung episode where we discussed the Red Cab Theory. So, the Red Cab Theory is basically, when we leave the house, we don't notice the red cars. Pero, pag binayaran kayo at sinabi, bago kayo lumabas ng bahay at sabihin na, pag binigyan ko kayo ng 1,000 pesos, at ilan ang red cars na nakitan mo, for sure, mapapansin mo siya. Maghahanap ka. So, the same goes with luck and opportunities. So, ganun siya. You have to be constantly aware sa opportunities, and you also have to have that intention of looking for it.
Yeah.
Yon.
Yes. Being very conscious and open to receive.
Yes.
The concept of luck and opportunities, I never really thought of it in such a way na parang with so much intention. Naniniwala ako na hard work gets you to where you are.
Yeah.
But right now, to be honest, yes, it counts. It definitely counts. It's so great for you to have a good work ethic at
Yeah.
kumayod at igapang. Talagang may nararating ka doon. Sure yun. Yun ang surefire way to get to something or somewhere. But right now, I feel like luck and opportunities are by chance, by some cosmic timing, na hindi lang hard work ngayon ang paraan para makuha mo o ma-attract yun.
I'm gonna refute what you said.
Oh, go!
Kasi I feel like
I love
the
that.
hard work is the intention.
Mm.
Diba? Kasi you work hard to have to open the opportunity. So if you work hard, you're also looking for the opportunities.
Yes.
You're very mindful
That's true.
sa mga bagay, like let's say with work. Kaya mo gusto mo-promote kasi so magkatrabaho ka ng maigi para ma-promote ka. Because you're waiting for that opportunity.
Yeah.
Na like everything, every task you feel like that nabibigay sa'yo is an opportunity to grow.
Yeah.
'Di ba?
Yeah.
So, kaya mo gagalingan. So the intention is the intention is the hard work.
Yes.
'Di
Oh my
ba?
God. Now I realize why I'm not giving the hard work in certain places or in certain places because that's not what I want.
That's
to
not what you
attract.
want.
That's not what I want. And I've been in denial of the things that I want for so long. Again, coming from the concept of there's only one way to do success. There's only one way to do hard work. I thought it's all about suffering. It's all about which is like,
Amen, sis.
sis, di ba na parang, hindi kailangan ko mag-suffer eh. Hindi kailangan ito yung gawin ko kasi ito yung martyr na way. Alam mo yun?
Oo, parang walang para masabi mong successful ka or hard work ka, kailangan umiyak ka, you blood, sweat, and tears, di ba?
Yeah.
Which is, I feel like, that's such an old school notion
Correct.
of success and hard work.
Oo.
I mean, at some point naman din talaga, may pinaghirapan ka. Hindi
Oo.
porket na hindi nakita ng tao na naghirap ka, ay hindi na siya success.
Totoo.
Di ba? I
Totoo.
mean, like content creators.
Yeah.
Let's take them for example. Hindi naman porket hindi mo nakikita yung mga paghihirap nila ay hindi na sila successful. Or with our show,
Yeah.
hindi naman, I mean, this is blood, sweat, and tears. Pero like,
Yes.
hindi naman siya yung sobrang ginapang talaga
Oo.
natin na parang kung gaano mo gagapangin yung ibang trabaho sa,
Oo.
like sa corporate job,
Makaraos
let's say.
lang.
Oo, di ba?
Yeah.
Hindi ka naman kapit sa
Yeah.
patalim.
Oo.
Kailangan ganun palagi.
Yeah. And I don't know if it's a personality thing na parang, is it just because I'm that type of person na I would only really do the work if I believe in it.
Yeah.
Diba? May mga ganun eh, na parang,
Yeah.
minsan talaga, kinocall out ko yung sarili ko na parang, tangina, suck it up. Kasi I had this recent conversation with somebody that I know of, but like, never really worked with or what. Meron kaming common friend. We were talking about this common friend kasi I was telling this person na, parang hindi ako makapaniwala na he's been doing this for like how many years.
Yeah.
This new person now was like, oh yeah, but you know what, nung una ko siyang na-meet, referring to to our common friend, nung una ko naman siya na-meet, parang hindi mo iisipan na, parang hindi mo siya agad mapoprofile as a certain say, a principal. Parang
Yeah.
ganon. But then, you can see that he has the potential, ganyan. Tapos parang, ganyan. She makes a great point na, but you know what? It's always his aspiration to reach a certain level of this.
Oh,
Like,
gets.
and now he's doing it. Nakaka-proud. Gumanon siya.
Yeah.
And I'm like, oh yeah. And that's when it hit me na, oh yeah, because he wanted that. I mean,
Yeah.
alam mo yun, parang
Aligned yung stars.
gusto niya yun.
Ginagawa
niya yung mga bagay kasi gusto niya. Like, I always question myself na parang, why can't you be more like that? But then, like, again, I cannot compare myself to that person kasi we're not in the same lane.
Yeah.
Like, yes, I used to be in that lane, but I'm no longer there.
Yeah.
And I can't keep being stuck in a place where it's just not me anymore.
Yeah. And that's not the blueprint.
It gave me perspective na, oh yeah, okay, maybe I'm just the type na I would do things because I wanted it.
Yeah.
And you know what I realized by doing the things I want?
What?
I get the fucking opportunities.
it's also the manifestation eh. Like the
Amen.
the mindset of people. Like you know how athletes do have mindsets. And I've said this in the previous
Winning.
episode na physical health is very important also as mental health. Kasi kaya yung ibang athletes, they really put an effort in meditation. Steph Curry, the basketball player, he puts time to meditate.
Wow. Okay.
Kasi importante yun, like how your head, kasi that's how you will attract things eh. That's how you'll attract the luck, the opportunities.
Yeah.
Kasi it will come to you. Kasi
Correct.
kaya nga ang ganda nung manifestation na I don't chase, I attract. Alam mo ngayon,
Totoo.
nung nalaman ko yun, parang ako ngayon, I have to remind myself na, Pat, you don't chase, you attract.
Amen.
Kasi papagurin ko lang yung sarili ko if I chase, and it's not meant for me, papagurin ko yung sarili ko eh.
Alam mo, nung 2014, nung may Tumblr era pa ako, ang tagline ko before was chasing dreams and going places.
Oh, wow.
It's so cute, di ba? Parang,
Yeah.
it's so Gian. I love it so much. Like, that was my, alam mo yung header sa Tumblr?
Yeah.
Chasing dreams and going places. And even my Facebook bio, parang yun yung nakalagay. Dun sa sinabi mo kanina, parang, you don't chase, but you attract.
Yeah.
The way that so far with my experience is the way na na-realize ko how to do that or practice that was to be really authentic. It's really it's
Amen.
being who you fucking are
Yeah.
and being parang ano ba, parang nonchalant sa mga magsasabi sa'yo na cringe ka.
Totoo yan. Alam mo, the universe, or God, o kung sino man pinaniniwalaan nyo, knows who you are. Like the bottom of your soul, the darkest hole in your body, alam niya. He knows the dark side of the moon in your soul. So, I feel like it will be counterproductive if you're just gonna fake it. Kasi at the end of the day, mapapagod ka din eh. At saka,
I realize how...
you won't notice shit. Kasi you're busy noticing, you're busy pretending. Diba? Alam mo,
You
I
heard
remember.
me! Charing.
Alam mo, I remember.
God!
Sa notebook ko, sa work, I have a notebook sa work, and sinusulat ko to dati every day. I don't know why I stopped. But I always write, manifestation
remember
without
this.
work is just a dream without a plan.
Amen.
And that is so fucking true. Kasi a dream will always be a dream if you don't have a plan.
If you don't take action.
Yeah, if you don't take action, it will always stay as a dream.
Yeah.
So for you to attract those opportunities, that luck, you always have to look for it and you have to plan for it.
yeah.
Hindi siya pwedeng gusto kong maging mayaman. Hindi naman ito parang mag-aantay ka na lang na umulan ng pera. Girl,
You
babalik
gotta
ang mga
hustle.
dinosaurs pag ganun yung nangyari. Diba? Kasi it's fucking stupid.
Yeah.
Na parang iaasa mo na lang lahat sa universe.
Yeah,
Because
yeah.
the universe doesn't work like that.
Yeah. Yeah.
You
That's
always
true.
have to do the work.
You have to do the work. Yes.
And
Yes.
alam mo, napansin ko, speaking of this like conversation, when you do the work and with the intention in mind, you always notice the opportunities. And the thing about it, kasi madalas ang makikita mo opportunities, hindi mo madalas makikita yung luck eh.
Oo.
Yung luck, dadating na lang siya na parang siyang lottery ticket and it's gonna be so worth it.
That's true. That's true. Oh my God. I've had so many little miracles that has happened to me in the past few months. Like, hindi naman sa hindi ko na mabilang, pero kumbaga, numerous opportunities came my way because for some reason, I think I was being rewarded for making space, or I don't know if it's a reward or if it's something na it was meant to be. Well, I guess it's meant to be kasi nangyari siya.
Yeah.
Pero parang nagugulat na lang ako na, may ganun? Pwede pala?
Oh my God, sis.
I'm allowed?
Yes. You know what I realized with your current life right now?
Yeah.
I think the current projects that you're coming is opportunities. But the current project that you are currently working on now,
The one
with
that
an
I was
agent-
doing now kanina?
the one that you were doing earlier with an agency, that's luck.
Yeah.
That's luck.
Maybe
And it comes by like, so I feel like it comes by so rare. Ako feeling ko lang yun Or siguro hindi lang natin napapansin na luck pala yun.
And
Pero,
yeah.
Pero, pag dumating siya kasi, it feels so rewarding and it doesn't feel like luck.
Yeah. Yeah, it doesn't. actually, I was surprised because I did not expect to land something like that. I mean, it's not a big thing, but like for me, it's big right now because like, okay, like
Somebody trusts you enough
it's
to
a
do this.
brand. Yeah. And it was also by word of mouth.
Yeah.
Na parang I got that gig. Like, this is what's fucking wild to me. Na parang, okay, so they see me as that. So I have not been looking like right in front of the mirror
Yeah.
to fucking recognize myself that I am capable of those things. So what made that person think that I am viable or that I could be considered for this?
Yeah.
So parang nagulat ako, parang, okay, so maybe I have to start seeing myself that way too. Walang rason para hindi ko siya makita.
Yeah.
But I was not looking. So I guess now I'm fucking looking.
Yun nga, if it's not meant for you, it's not meant for you.
It's
So,
not
hindi
meant
mo
for
pwedeng
you.
ipilit.
Oh my God. And can you please like remind the feelers that applies to people?
That applies to people, guys. That
Not
applies-
just opportunities, but like
Yeah.
people you deal with. Na,
Yeah, totoo.
Yeah.
Aside sa manifestations, of course,
Oo naman.
believing in yourself is a huge thing, that the self-esteem and
Yes.
the confidence.
Correct.
Kasi kahit sabihin natin yan na you're doing the hard work, you have the intention, but if you don't believe in yourself,
Oh my God.
I feel like you're gonna come across opportunities that are not meant for you.
Yeah. Or maybe you've come across the opportunity, but you don't take it because you
didn't see it.
you didn't see it. You didn't see that you can.
Yeah.
You know, and okay, you know what's really parang that freaked me out with this whole thing, with the luck and the opportunity that came my way. Ito nga, yung recent project. Parang ako, How did it came right at the right
At
time,
the right time.
that I was like available?
Exactly.
Like how? Why did that brand knew that I am available for those things? You know what I'm saying? Like
that's the magic.
that never fucking happened when I was doing the other things.
Yeah. That's the magic. I have a question. Do you
Fucking
feel like words of affirmation will help you get to those
Oh my
opportunities?
God. Yes. I mean, coming from I don't think it's the only thing, pero kumbaga may may certain nudge at may certain boost of confidence siyang nabibigay sa isang tao na hindi mo makukuha kahit saan. And it comes very rare, I think, with people, especially with adults, like with our age, na parang malaki naman na tayo, para sino ba naman, diba? Para sino bang magsasabi sa atin na, oh my God, you're doing a good job? Like, who the fuck says that? Nobody. Like,
Yeah.
unless you're best, like, I have a friend like that who feeds me with good affirmations, like, literally reminding me of my greatness. Wow. But, like, it's not every day.
Yeah.
And I'm not saying na sana gawin niya every day. Hindi. Pero parang, diba?
Sometimes you have to do it kasi
Kailangan
on your own.
mo siyang, oo, at kailangan mo, you have to be that for yourself.
Yeah, totoo. Totoo.
Oh my God.
The only person who will look out for you is you. And I've said this, I think, on record before, and I'm sure I've said this to you. I'm confident, but I lack the self-esteem.
Oh, yes.
Yes.
Dati hindi ko siya gets. Pero, in-explain mo na siya sa akin at
Oo.
naintindihan ko na siya.
So ako, I feel like I've missed a lot of opportunities. Like I'm saying a lot. Hindi lang
Yeah.
hindi lang sa work, but what I feel like what I'm meant to do. Kasi I
Yeah.
feel like the younger version of myself, the younger Pat, has the idea already. Tas somewhere of what
Who
I
you
want to be.
Of
Yes.
what? Yeah.
But I feel like nakalimutan ko lang siya at the back of my mind. Because
Yeah,
of,
because
you
you were busy.
I was
surviving.
busy, surviving, and I parang ang sa akin, that's a childish dream. Alam mo
Yeah.
yun? Parang that was a pipe dream.
Yeah.
But now, especially with what I'm going through and knowing the red car theory, it just opened my mind. Alam mo yun?
Yeah.
And the motivations and the manifesting has helped me in a lot of stuff.
Totoo.
And the thing about manifesting is that you actually 100% have to believe it. Like you talk as if you already have it.
Oh, yes. Amen to that.
That's a good thing. It's the same with luck na somewhere down the line, you know that it will happen. You just have to wait until.
Yeah.
Tsaka, hindi pwede yung kanyari yung Ako, feeling ko lang, hindi pwede yung parang gigil na gigil ka.
Oo.
Do you agree?
Yes, I agree. You know what? Na-touch namin yung conversation na yun or something like very lightly or passively with my siblings.
Mm-mm.
Parang in passing lang napag-usapan namin how ang galing. Kasi diba with Vinci's, career right now na parang okay, na full, parang kumbaga, nandun siya sa dreams niya eh.
Yeah.
Parang na-materialize yung dreams niya, ganyan, ito na siya. Tapos parang parang galing lang kasi the way that it happened was kind of like so organic and so just it's so organic na hindi siya pinilit, hindi siya gigil dun sa dream. He literally just did the job. And, timing was fucking there. I guess the luck also of the timing, like all the other factors that came with it led to where he is now.
Yeah.
And I know that he's still far from whatever parang position or whatever accomplishments he wants to have, diba, with his career. Pero, ito na siya. Nakapag-jumpstart siya in a very iconic way, diba?
Totoo.
Sabi ng sister ko, hindi kasi siya sobrang gigil. Alam mo yun, parang wala. As in, ginawa niya lang what's expected of him. And then,
Yeah. At saka hindi mag-work yung parang feeling nonchalant ka lang. It's not gonna work. Na parang,
kailangan genuine.
Kailangan genuine.
Oo, na ito ka talaga.
Oo. Kaya alam mo, I'm glad that you brought up Vinci's career. Kasi I feel like the auditions was the opportunity, but the luck is where he got past the auditions.
Oh, yeah.
Kasi after that, the opportunities are endless.
And you know what the luck was? For me, if we're gonna contextualize the luck part of it, it was the fact that it was the first ever Korean survival show in the Philippines. So it was pioneer. And then, it's not as big as Pinoy Big Brother.
Yeah.
Which is, like, literally, alam na ng buong Pilipinas yan. Na literally, everybody wants to be a housemate.
Yeah.
The luck was, the competition wasn't as crazy. I mean, yes, of course, there's competition. Pero parang, kumbaga, it was timing. Na parang, it was his time. Like,
it was his time.
And it was...
Naluto na siya ng universe
orchestrated. Wow.
Yeah.
And you know what's super crazy about that time was, it felt like we're part of that journey.
Yeah.
Because, ang galing nung timing talaga eh. It was the year that I got this place. In a way.
Oh, I remember.
Diba? It was the year when he auditioned, I was already here. He was staying here.
He was staying here. I remember.
Diba?
Hinatid niyo pa nga siya sa dorm.
Sa dorm. So parang, ang galing kasi sabi namin, ang convenient for him because literally his school is very near here.
Yeah.
The auditions was also near here. It was like as if the chords were all orchestrated to support him.
Yes.
And I was personally, at that time, was also emotionally available to support my brother in that journey.
Yeah.
The same with my mom, the same with my sister. Lahat kami, it was like as if team talaga.
And his support system, his friends were like, game.
Go.
Didn't even bat an eye with him like auditioning and stuff.
Yes. And I'm like,
at saka, and the thing I love about it is that the sure confidence of not just himself, but the people around him saying, oh, he's got this in the bag. And what I love about it is that he's very strategic because he knows how to play the game.
He played the game.
He played the game so well.
Very
so well. Na I'm so fucking impressed. Like,
and you know what? Pat is saying this literally. She said this to me a year ago, 2 years ago.
A year ago na parang ako, oh my God, ang galing
Ang
niya.
galing.
Kasi kaya ako, I feel like the luck talaga was him
having
being
the opportunity.
accepted.
Yeah.
Accepted doon sa auditions na parang, okay, pasok ka na. Yun yung luck eh. Kasi out of the millions of people who auditioned.
Yeah.
Diba? Kasi ang sa akin, hindi luck na nanalo siya.
That was work. That was work.
That was the hard work. That was the intention.
Yeah.
Yeah. The opportunities were the missions and the things that he did. And he showcased the fuck out of it. Alam mo yun?
Oh my God, I miss Dreammaker era.
Yeah.
Oh
Vinci actually is a very, very good example with this episode talaga.
Ang galing.
Ang galing.
Can you come here?
But you know, I feel like, in terms of feelings,
yeah.
we've had that experience of opportunities and luck. It's just not as explosive as others.
Yeah.
Kasi you can compare what we had
Yeah.
with let's say
A reality show.
a reality show
Oo
or with
naman.
other podcast shows. Yun na
Yeah.
lang din para
Oo. Para same
yung
wavelength.
para ma-level out yung field na lang din. I feel like yung sa atin kasi it's very quiet. We have
Really
our own
quiet.
Yeah,
Really quiet.
alam mo naniniwala ako na tayo ang pioneer ng small win. Kaya sinasabi na ng
Yes!
ng
I really
mga
feel that
ng
also.
ng mga tao. Kasi ng pandemic na naman nagsasabi ng small win eh.
Yeah,
After
plus
one
one.
of our plus ones came to the show, he went sa ibang bansa and then he mentioned, may small win ako ngayon.
Oh.
Tapos palagi ko na siyang naririnig na may small win ako, may small win ako, or may big win na. Yung big win matagal ko na naririnig.
Oo.
Pero the small wins,
Yeah.
it
Right?
wasn't a thing.
Yeah?
So, ang naniniwala ako
Sa atin ang
na
gas.
sa atin ang galing yun.
Ah!
I will fucking claim it.
Yeah,
Actually, I'm
that's
claiming
true,
it. Nalalaman ko, may feelings yun, no?
Oo. And also, like, I heard, like, I mean, may nag-message sa atin or nag-gift sa atin na parang sabi niya, inadapt niya daw sa work. Like, ginawa niyang
I remember.
parang icebreaker ng team nila or something, which is great. Like, that is something. Like,
Yeah, that's a
Diba?
good way to check
Yeah.
into someone, with
yeah.
someone.
I love
Diba?
that too. Oo.
So,
At saka may tao na mga gusto talaga nila yung small wins natin eh. Which is
Oo.
amazing.
Diba?
Thank you so much.
at saka ako, I feel like, so, ang mga luck natin is like, landing Dolly De Leon.
Oh God!
Diba?
Tita Dolly, I love you so
Landing
much.
McCoy. Alam mo yun,
Yeah.
those were luck and the opportunities is
Yeah.
having like amazing guests and, you know, giving us the feedback that we have and eventually having this.
Yeah.
Alam mo yun, having all of this, having you
Yeah.
guys. Remember when we had our,
Billboard?
not our billboards. The billboards were luck. I feel like those were luck.
Luck.
Pero I feel like the opportunity also was
With
when
an agency?
we had an agency.
Oh, yeah.
You were handled by someone. Kasi the numbers at that time were like,
Oo.
Amazing.
It nag-help talaga.
Yeah.
Nag-help talaga. Oh my God.
I'm just sad that it ended.
Totoo. That was rather quick. Wow.
Yeah.
Even if we're not as big as the other chart-topping podcasts,
Yeah.
what I like about is the way how everything is organic in a way
Yeah.
na parang the feelers are just, they're literal feelers. And also, the way na nakakapag-network din, ako personally,
Yeah.
when I can network it, like it is part of my, my portfolio already that I co-founded this and like whatever, we produced this, na parang it's something to be very proud about. Kasi parang, nobody fucking knows that we don't earn
Yeah.
a fucking cent from it.
Yeah.
And people think, and I feel like it's such a big compliment when people think, oh, I thought you're doing the podcast like
Ako din.
and people will ask me
Yeah.
na parang, oh, how's the business of it? Like, oh, I would love to get into that. It's just that
Actually,
it hasn't, ano ba yan?
totoo. Ang dami ka tanong din sa akin. So, kumikita na kayo dyan?
Anyway, ano yung mga luck na na-feel mo that has come your way in the most surprising, at the most surprising time or what, if you have any? And this is you not being so conscious about it, but like parang, whoa, ito na pala yun. I'm living that.
One is, and actually it wasn't, I feel like it wasn't luck eh. I feel like it was like a culmination of opportunities.
Mhm.
I remember when we were in Black Canvas. So Black Canvas is a collaborative
Organization.
collective it's a collective organization
Of art
of
practitioners.
art practitioners.
Yeah.
So I remember, and kaya siya yung unang nag-pop up sa utak ko kasi I was crying that night. After a show we did in CCP, so Children's Biennale. That was the culmination of what our dreams were. Alam mo yun?
Yeah.
Yun yung parang dati pinag-uusapan lang natin na this agency will contact us or we get to travel the shows. Alam mo yun? It was amazing. Na parang
Yeah.
sobrang naiyak talaga ako na parang, and it's such an
Oh.
overwhelming feeling.
Yep. And the show was really good.
The show was really
The show
good.
was really good.
Diba?
Oo.
Also with Weight of Words, a theater play written or devised and directed by Abner Delina Jr. I was so proud of that show and also Work in Progress where we
Yep.
casted, where we starred in.
Totoo.
Ano siya eh, grabe
So yun siya. Feeling mo lahat yun ay, hindi naman luck, but
it was a culmination. It was a
gets-
culmination
it's
of
everything.
opportunities.
Yeah.
Pero the luck, wala kasi akong maisip na, alam mo kung nako-consider kong luck, na
Yung travel?
pinagtrabaho. Oo.
Oo
Yung-
naman. Gets.
You know what I think luck is?
Mm.
And this is not work-related.
Mm.
Pero tinabaho natin to. The Taylor Swift tickets.
I was about to say,
Taylor Swift tickets. I feel like it's not an opportunity. I felt like
luck.
it was luck na we were also at the right time, at the right place. Kasama ko yung nanay ko. Handa siya
Sa credit card
Oo,
niya.
tinaalala ko talaga. Sa
Salamat
hospital talaga ako.
Kayo.
Nag-ano talaga siya. And everything was like so orchestrated na hindi ako kinabahan na hindi tayo makakakuha ng tickets. I know we will be getting tickets. I felt like that was luck.
Oh my God, that's so great.
Diba?
Love that.
Parang ako,
Oo.
diba?
It was meant to be,
It
no?
was meant to be. Tsaka isipin mo,
Kasi first travel din natin yung together.
oo. At saka
It's
isipin
a
mo, sa isang
friendship.
kumpanya dito sa Pilipinas, ilan ang empleyadong nag-travel naman ng Singapore. Diba?
Totoo.
Diba?
I was just about to say that the luck that I got from traveling, I think it was parang, as in, sinalba talaga ako ng mga travel.
Oo.
Na hindi ko, kasi diba gusto ko nang bitawan lahat ng travel na opportunities. Tapos
Oo.
parang, my God, I would have probably fucking hated myself if I didn't go.
Yeah.
If I didn't push through. If I was like a bitch na parang, yoko na, nagtantrums na lang ako, diba?
Oo.
Pero yun, my God.
Ito, I have a
God.
question.
Oh.
Do you remember any missed opportunities? Kasi the luck ako talaga, minsan hindi ko talaga naaalala eh. Missed
Okay.
opportunities.
Missed opportunities. Yes. And I don't know if it's actually a missed opportunity or I'm just thinking about it.
Ah.
But remember the CEO who wanted me?
Yes! I was about to say that to you. Yes.
Okay.
Tapos I remember pa the conversation na
I
parang,
remember it was such a big thing talaga for, di ba? Hinimay natin ang decision making. So, okay, feelers, I'm gonna be very open about this. I don't have any affiliation anyway. I think it's fine.
Yeah.
There's no red tape, di ba? Parang,
Yeah.
it's fine. Well, I was employed. And a CEO reached out to me. It was a really great parang position. Ilang weeks tayo nag-back and forth doon.
Oo.
Hindi siya sketchy, okay? It's a legit company. It's
The lines were very blurred lang.
Oo, it's kind of blurred lang. And also, I get it because of the nature of the industry and the nature of the job itself.
Yeah.
Pero I felt like if I was stronger, if I was mentally stronger and I believed in myself more,
Or if that was Gian 2024.
yeah, if that was JN 2094, if that freaking CEO asks me right now, JN, do you want to do this? I think I won't say yes just because I needed a job, but because I am confident enough that whatever the fuck that is that you want,
Mm-mm.
I will deliver. But at the same time, nung time na yon, I felt more at peace talaga with saying, sorry, no, not yet. Parang
Yeah.
ganun eh. I was saying not yet. And the thing was, with our lines of com kasi, medyo nawawala-wala kasi siya.
Oo.
And gets ko naman, hello,
He's very
CEO,
busy.
busy siya, di ba? I don't think it was coming out of insecurity eh.
Yeah.
Pero it was like, I was
Hindi ka
very
pa hinogo.
confused. Oo, may ganun akong vibe na parang baka, alam mo yon. So parang, I don't wanna fake it till I make it because it's a big fucking,
It's a big thing.
it's a big
job.
position. Like,
Sabi ko sa'yo, the path is, if you continue it, you could be a CMO.
yeah, papunta siya doon. Oo, tama. And I feel like I could consider it a missed opportunity because that was also luck. That was luck. How he founded me was by some luck. Apparently, my former CEO in another company referred me to this CEO. I don't take it lightly because I feel like, wow, like,
That's an honor.
how could my old CEO remember me when hindi naman kami nag-work closely together? But
Yeah.
I think she just watched me present like
Yeah.
once ever. I don't know, but so parang, alam mo yun, yung parang ako, Gia, no? They saw you. Are you looking? I was not looking back. So that's on me.
That's the
Oh my
missed
God.
opportunity.
Yeah, I feel like that. What do you think? Was it? Was it a
Yeah.
miss? Do you think?
Yeah.
I should have said yes, basically.
Yeah, you should have said yes. I was so excited for you. I was hyping you up. And when you decided
really
to
did. You really did.
like veer away from that path, it's like, oh, okay, sige. I mean, it's at the end of the day, it's your decision.
Yeah.
Pero I
but
would
you
have-
really helped me. You gave me so much perspective.
But
on that.
I would have loved you to like dominate that.
Oh my God.
Because I know you would.
I did not believe that. See? Missed opportunity. I did not. I mean, I did not. It's not that I did not believe it. I think I didn't have the space. Because that was the same fucking time I got motherfucking scammed. A few weeks after that opportunity came. Was it?
No.
It was. No.
No.
July ako na scam. So, at the time, it really felt like I did the right decision because
Yeah.
I really didn't have the space for a new transition and that big of a jump.
That I
That
remember.
was my thing. So, parang in a way, parang alam mo yun, yung parang binasa ko rin siya in a very broad way na, oh, maybe it's the right decision
Yeah.
because I really would have probably not fly so high if meron akong dinadalang ganun, tapos lumipat ako sa bagong job, tapos ito na, kailangan ko pa ito yung sarili ko.
Now I remember.
Now you,
Yeah, I remember. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Grabe. Alam mo kung ano ang missed opportunity ko?
Ah.
Yung
Yung
nasa
lalaki.
Siargao ako, there was this Australian guy who was asking to take me home.
Oh,
And there was also, nung nasa, ang missed opportunity ko talaga dalawang afam. Yung isa naman ay, nung nasa Ireland ako, there was
Gets
this
ko
guy
though.
who was so good to me.
Oh,
Tapos parang sabi niya, so I'll see you down the pub. So I never showed up at the pub.
Oh, fuck. Because you're afraid?
Nahihiya ako sa pinsan ko na kadarating ko lang tapos
Sis-
maglalandi ako na alam mo yun, unahin ko ba landi o pamilya?
Tama. So, missed opportunity because they showed
They showed the interest.
They showed opportunity. They showed you and
Yeah.
you
And
did
also-
not tap it.
I didn't tap it. And
God.
also another missed opportunity.
That's bad.
Right?
That's so bad.
Another missed opportunity is making international friends. Kasi I had a friend, a Spanish, nung nandun ako sa Ireland, mayroon ako isang na-meet na Spanish au pair.
Okay. Oh,
Yes.
okay.
So,
Okay, Spanish. Okay.
Oo. Para sa mga taong hindi po alam ang au pair po ay sila yung nag-aalaga ng mga
Babysitter.
bata.
Yes.
So, in-house au pair siya.
Okay,
Yeah,
yes.
she's an in-house au pair. And then, parang she invited me to the pub. Tapos nagpaalam ako, hindi naman pumayag yung pinsan ko. Kasi syempre, cargo niya ako eh. So,
Yes.
nagigets ko naman. But
Yeah.
that's a missed opportunity.
In fairness naman, with my experience with the missed opportunity I was talking about earlier, I don't have that much regret. I think it wasn't time pa.
Yeah.
Kasi like, we said naman din na parang, ano yun? Kung para sa'yo eh.
Totoo. Ay, meron pa ako isang missed opportunity.
Yeah.
A promotion.
Oh.
With what happened. Like, I wallowed in self-pity for so long. And I had the problem with moving on sa stuff na the mindset was so fucked. You were
Yeah.
fucked up, pero the mindset was fucked, basically. Na parang, you're doomed to not, alam mo yun,
To not get that.
get it. Kasi the mindset was, you're not good enough. Hindi ka pa,
Because you're not seeing.
because I'm not seeing.
Yeah.
Yeah. And I regretted that.
Yeah.
Alam mo yun? Pero para sa akin, I'm happy with the person who got the promotion. I'm
Yeah.
happy that she got it.
Yeah.
Like, I'm so super, super, super proud of her. But also,
Oo.
may part din sa akin na parang, sayang, no?
Yeah, oo naman. It was a promotion.
Yeah.
Diba? Totoo. Yeah, I think there are some opportunities that we regret and we don't. But like,
Yeah. We have to charge those to experience.
you know what? What I've realized, it's hard to listen and to see when your mind is crowded. Diba?
Yes!
When your mind is so fucking loud with all these thoughts na parang, sis, sino bang, nobody's paying that much attention to you anyway. Alam mo yun? Oh my God, Pat. Where do we go from here?
I think we have to be genuine with what we want. I think that's important.
Mm-hmm.
To find the right opportunities for us. And we always have to be intentional with looking. alam mo yon, hindi pwedeng may nakita ka lang na quote-unquote kotse, ay opportunity na yon. You always have to remember that you have to look for the red car.
Oh.
'Di ba? You can't look at other cars. You look at the red car kasi nga yun yung kailangan mong bilangin, and that's the intention.
Yep.
Para ma-attract mo siya. And remember, feelers, I will stand by this. You don't chase, you attract, and you manifest that shit. And manifestation works if you do the work.
Yes.
Yun.
Only when you do the work.
Yeah.
Okay, ganda.
Ikaw.
Where do I go? Well, I think when it comes to opportunities, it's okay if you missed some.
Yeah.
If it's for you, it's for you. If it's not, then okay lang. Parang may times kasi na, di ba, ang sarap mag-dwell, na parang, putang ina, parang, ano yun, parang pinanghihinayangan pa natin. Instead of panghihinayang, ay, di look at the red car, di ba?
Mm-mm.
It's more of like that. Like, it really has to come from a mindset na abundant. Wow, my favorite term. Kasi nga, totoo naman na parang dumadating siya at the most unexpected time, but at the right time. If it's for
Yeah.
you, it will happen eh.
The
Like,
cards will fall into place.
the magic happens. And I felt this so much na parang I've never felt so alive and protected in such a long time. Tapos yun nga, yung capacity to be able to lean into what's supposed to be yours,
Yeah.
na I think has a lot to do with the intention that you were telling about, na kailangan open ka talaga.
Ayan.
Thank God na lang talaga for opportunities na nabuksan ng utak, nabuksan
Totoo.
ng mind, and like, you know,
Totoo.
but yeah, oh my God, I love this episode.
Me
So,
too. Ah,
I'm healed by the red car theory.
diba? It's so amazing. The Red Car Theory is so amazing. I hope that you loved the episode. I hope that you found this episode as amazing as we have found it. So this has been Pat.
And this has been Gian.
Bye!